65 common foreign words used in English. Shorthand, legal and journal dictation. Foreign words, language and meaning. Tsunami, a gigantic sea wave that is usually caused by an earthquake. Terracotta, a type of fired clay that is brownish red in color. Stiletto, a woman's shoe with a thin high heel. Status quo, the present or current situation, the existing state of affairs. Solo, done or performed by one person alone. Sine qua non, essential condition without which something is impossible. Siesta, a nap or a rest during the day, usually in the early afternoon. Rendezvous, an arrangement to meet someone. Renaissance, word meaning rebirth, used to describe the historical period between 1300 and 1600. Propaganda, misleading or biased information used to promote a cause. Pro forma, standard document, for example, a pro forma invoice. Pro bono, free of charge, without asking for payment. Post-mortem, examination of a dead body, to determine the cause of death. Plaza, a public open area in a town or city, also called a square. Persona non grata, an unacceptable person who is not wanted or welcome. Pergola, an arch or structure in a garden for climbing plants. Patio, a paved or concrete leisure area adjoining a house. Parvenu, wealthy or important person from obscure origins or a low social position. Partisan, strong supporter of a party, cause or faction. Paparazzi, freelance photographers who pursue celebrities. Origami, the art of folding small pieces of paper in order to form them into interesting shapes. Nouveau riche, people who have recently become wealthy, newly rich. Modus operandi, the usual way of doing things, for example, the modus operandi of burglars. Mea culpa, it's my fault, through my fault. Macho, arrogantly virile or have an exaggerated sense of power or the right to dominate. Ipso facto, by that very fact, as a direct consequence. Kindergarten, nursery school for children before they start elementary school. Karaoke, sing along with the tune of a popular song while reading the lyrics from a screen. In situ, on site, where something takes place. Guerrilla, an irregular, independent armed force. Grotesque, odd, exaggerated or unnatural in appearance, shape or character. Graffiti, a writing or drawing onto a public surface such as a wall. Glitch, small problem or fault that prevents something from being successful. Genre, category, type or style, e.g. music or literature. Fiasco, a complete failure. Faux pas, a social mistake or blunder. Extravaganza, a lavish or spectacular show, event or performance. Exempli gratia, e.g., for example. Ergo, therefore, for that reason. Entrepreneur, a person who starts their own company. Delicatessen, a shop where you can find ready-to-eat products, such as cooked meats and salads, etc. De facto, from the fact, exists in actual fact, although not official. Cum laude, with honors, above average achievement. Croissant, a flaky crescent-shaped roll or pastry. Coup d'état, a sudden overthrow of a government by the army. Confetti, little pieces of colored paper thrown during a celebration such as a wedding. Circa, around, about or approximately, used before a year. Chef d'oeuvre, a masterpiece, especially when referring to art. Casino, a building where gambling games are played. Carte blanche, have full powers, complete freedom to act. Carpe diem, seize the day, enjoy yourself while you can. Bona fide, done in good faith, without intention to deceive. Bete noir, a person or thing disliked or dreaded, or something that annoys you intensely. Au pair, young foreign girl who helps in a home with the housework and the children. A priori, based on an assumption rather than on observed facts. Antenna, 1. A transducer which converts electrical power into electromagnetic waves and vice versa. 2. Feeler or horn of an insect. Alter ego, another self, another aspect of oneself. Alibi, proof that someone suspected of a crime was in another place at the time it happened. Alfresco, outdoors, in the open air. A la carte, dishes that can be ordered separately, not the set menu. Agenda, list of things to be done. Ad nauseam, to a sickening or excessive degree. Ad lib, ad libitum, freely, without restriction, without preparation. Ad hoc, for that specific purpose. Addendum, an item added, for example, at the end of a book or publication.